So this is my power supply. That's the main power. And then you can adjust the voltage. Now this is unusual. I nearly always leave this on 5 in case I connect it to something by mistake. I nearly always have that set to 5, so I can set it. I can change which character I want to change, and normally I just change that one. So 5 volts, that's what I normally have it, and then decide it with the maximum amps. So this goes up to 30 volts, and I believe that's the maximum amps. I can set any individual voltage I like. I nearly always, 90% of the time it's on 5. Oh, 3 amps. This goes up to 30 volts, 3 amps. And these, you've got various memories you can preset, so if they're ones you use a lot, I tend to use this button and these buttons, and that's pretty much it really. This is my soldering station. So again, it's got memories. I can adjust the temperature, which is quite good. Certain solder take different temperatures. And it's got a place to store the bits in the back. See a number of bits at the back there. There's the iron. That's the stuff I use now. I don't use these anymore. I just use this, and I've got a spare one there. And again, you've got various memories, so you can change the memory. So depending on what you're doing, that's the one I use the most often.